Hello children, welcome to Aksharda Public School Learning Platform. I am here with Mathematics Content Library for grade 7. Here we are going to discuss about concept map of the chapter fractions. Fraction, part of a whole. For example, there is one circle. It has divided into 8 equal parts. 7 parts are colored. How do we write in a fraction? 7 by 8. 7 is numerator, 8 is denominator. The numerator, top number of a fraction, indicates how many of those equal parts we are concerned about. Denominator, the denominator, bottom number of a fraction, indicates how many equal parts one whole item is divided into. We have discussed about types of fractions. Decimal fractions, vulgar fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, equivalent fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions. We have discussed about definitions of the types of the fractions. Decimal fraction, a fraction whose denominator is any of the numbers 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called a decimal fractions. For example, 3 by 10, 15 by 100, 9 by 1000. Vulgar fractions, a fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called vulgar fractions. 2 by 9, 15 by 17, 9 by 109. Proper fractions, a fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fractions. For example, 25 by 37, 5 by 9, 6 by 19. Improper fractions, a fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. Example, 8 by 3, 15 by 12, 45 by 18. Mixed fractions, a number which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. For example, 1 integer 1 by 2, 15 integer 5 by 6, 3 integer 2 by 3. Equivalent fractions, a given fraction and the fraction obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number are called equivalent fractions. Example, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, 5 by 10, 6 by 12, 7 by 14 are the equivalent fractions. Like fractions having the same denominator but different numerators are called like fractions. For example, 2 by 4, 4 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Here all the fractions having the same number as a denominator, that is 4. Unlike fractions having different denominator are called unlike fractions. For example, 6 by 7, 9 by 10, 12 by 56. We have discussed about basic operations on fractions. Addition of fractions. Addition of like fractions. For example, 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. These two are the like fractions. We have to write the common denominator 7 as it is. We have to add the numerators. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 by 7 is the answer. Addition of unlike fraction. Some rules are there to add the unlike fraction. First rule is we have to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction. We have to take the LCM of the denominators. We have to make the equivalent fractions. For example, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 are two unlike fractions. LCM of the 3 and 4 is 12. Now here 2 by 3. How do I get 12 from 3 means I need to multiply 4. That same number I am multiplying to the numerator. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. 8 by 12 is equivalent to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. How do I get 12 from 4? I need to multiply 3 into 4. That same number I am multiplying to the numerator. 1 into 3, 3. 4 into 3, 12. 3 by 12. 3 by 12 is equivalent to 1 by 4. Now 8 by 12 plus 3 by 12. These two are the like fractions. Common denominator is 12. I need to add 8 plus 3. 11. 11 by 12 is the answer. Subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. For example, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Common denominator is 4. I need to subtract 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 means 1. 1 by 4 is the answer. Subtraction of unlike fractions. Some rules are there to subtract unlike fraction. First, we have to convert the unlike fraction into like fractions. We have to take the LCM of the denominators. We have to make the equivalent fractions. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. I have to take the LCM of 3 and 4. 12 is the LCM of 3 and 4. 2 by 3. How do I get 12 from 3? I have to multiply 4 into 3. That same number I am multiplying to the numerator. 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Minus 1 by 4. How do I get 12 from 4? I need to multiply 3 into 4. That same number I am multiplying to the numerator. 3 into 1. 1 3s are 3. 4 3s are 12. 8 by 12 minus 3 by 12. These two are the like fractions. I am writing 12 as the common denominator. I have to subtract 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 means 5 is the answer. 5 by 12 is the answer. Multiplication of fractions. Product of fractions equal to product of the numerators divided by product of the denominators. For example, 3 by 5 into 10 by 8. 3 and 10 are the numerators. 3 10s are 30. 5 and 8 are the denominators. 5 8s are 40. 30 by 40 is the answer. Division of fractions. Step 1. Keep the first fraction the same. Step 2. Change the division sign into multiplication sign. Step 3. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Step 4. Multiply numerator. Step 5. Multiply denominator. For example, 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. I am keeping the first fraction as it is, that is 2 by 3. Second step, change the division sign into multiplication sign. I am changing this division sign into multiplication sign. I am taking the reciprocal of the second fraction. 5 by 4 is the reciprocal of 4 by 5. 5 by 4. Now I am multiplying the numerators 2 into 5 and multiplying the denominators 3 into 4. 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12. 10 by 12 is the answer. Students, you have revised the fractions chapter through mind map. Thank you.